वालड़िया लाज रखी तू मेरी बाजा 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 वालड़िया होय सुनो बेलियो मिस्टर पहचान नहीं कभी हलारा खाके 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 मिस्टर पहचान नहीं किते विच दिखाइए जोर जवानी दा किते विच दिखाइए जोर जवानी मंचतला के निकी ने तेरी मड़ी तो बीती बल्ले होय की ने तेरी मड़ी तो बीती काला डोलिया पाके मित्र पहचान लई तो दिहलारा काके 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 मित्र पहचान लई
Extremely sorry about that I do not know Malayalam. But let's just do this in English. So I would like to read a part of a general prologue so that you get an idea what the book is about. My mother passed away when I was 7. That sentence still doesn't behave like a normal sentence in my mouth. It doesn't sit quietly, it doesn't become a backstory. It is a before and after line that split my life into two parts. The part where I was a child who didn't know loss and a part where I became a child who learned it too early. After that, people looked at me differently. They spoke in softer voices. They said things they thought were comforting. They told me I was strong, but strength was never what I wanted. I wanted my mother. I wanted the kind of certainty other children carried without knowing it existed. Then the angel of my life took the wheel, my grandmother. Not blood, not obligation, not a role she was forced to play, a choice. So this book is not a tribute. This book is not me being strong. It is a refusal to let her be reduced to a date, a refusal to let her become a was, a refusal to let the world forget the kind of love she gave just because she gave it quietly, a refusal to accept that people who carry everyone else are the ones who leave without being celebrated. I'm writing her into permanence because if the world did not give her flowers while she was alive, I want to plant an entire garden now, page by page, until even strangers know the truth. So, I would...
Hello, my name is Sheena V. Ramanan. I am here to talk about my book titled The Grandmother. This book is literal pieces of my heart. It's fragments of my soul. This book is born out of love. A love of a lady who loved me unconditionally when she had no obligation to. So basically, when she passed away, a part of me died with her. It took me 3 years, and I'm not exaggerating, exactly 3 years to get out of that wound. And the first thing I wanted to do is something for her, a dedication. I wanted to do the first piece of my art that goes to the lady who always believed in me when no one did. So this book is for the people who lost someone, they're healing, they're trying to move on, and the world is expecting them to. I want them, if sometimes you cannot, it's okay to hold on. It's fine to hold on to memories of the person and not give a deadline to your grief. Thank you.
A very Good evening to all of you. My name is Ravanan. I am the Vice President of AIMA. AIMA means All India Malayali Association. We have organized 2-day programs at National Executive Committee Council of All India Malayali Association. Today we have organized this program with some cultural program because our national president Sri Gokulam Gopalakrishnan is the first time in Punjab and he wants to see the culture of Punjabis and that is particularly we have organized this Bangla program. We have OIMA means it is a national global organization for the working for the prosperity and welfare of the Malayali community and social upliftment all over India. We have all over India, in every state we have our AIMA members and working for the people. And today we have conducted this meeting here, National Executive Committee here, and that is why Mr. Sri Gokulam Gopalakrishnan is very well-known, renowned person, having this group of hotels, a chain of hotels, and the biggest charity fund. And he's the owner of that. He's a very well-known person, first time in Punjab. And to show the Punjabi culture, because I am here, there are many people like me here in Punjab for the last 4 decades, and just we want to show the Punjabi culture because we are far from Kerala. Though we are here, we have not this given or forgot the culture traditions of our Kerala, but still we continue that. But here also, for example, my daughter, she is born and brought up here. She even doesn't know my Malayalam, my language, and she has written a book, and that was inaugurated by Sri Gokulam Gopalakrishnan today. And this is a memoir, and because her mother expired around 23 years back, she was a small child, and she was brought up by a Punjabi lady who was not her real blood, and in her memory she wrote a book, the memoir. And
देश दुनिया की हर खबर सबसे पहले देखने के लिए फॉलो करें सर्वजन न्यूज, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर।